Tragedy tonight. Michigan reporting its first pediatric flu death in the state this season.
And there have been at least 93 flu-related pediatric deaths across the country, but this is the first in our state. 7 Action News reporter Tara Braddock is checking in with doctors for answers on how to keep your children healthy.
The doctors I spoke with are based in Metro Detroit, and they say they are seeing an influx of cases. And this coming as Michigan just reported its first flu-related death in a child. Right now, we are unsure where the child who died lives in the state.
Over the past few years, we've been seeing late spike of flu cases at the end of the season, which is unusual.
Dr. Hassan Aikel is an ER physician. He works with Dr. Ali Sueto and physician assistant Ronnie Ayoub at the Medcare urgent cares in our area. Dr. Sueto says sometimes children will appear to be healthy but have an underlying condition that makes their chances of dying from the flu higher.
Sometimes that's kind of the case where you'll see a pediatric patient come in and their case just declines rapidly and exponentially, and you're like, well, how'd this happen, right? I mean, this is just the flu. Why is it so bad in this patient? And usually there is some underlying issue.
The doctors say the best way to protect your child from the flu is by getting them vaccinated if they are 6 months or older. If the child still happens to get the virus, the next best thing is early treatment.
The early detection and early, catching it for a certain population is very, very important. Treatment is available. A lot of patients kind of like push it aside. They think it's only have the sniffles, and other people will hit it a little bit harder. So early detection, early testing. Now that is the key because we can treat for it.
And it's not too late to get a vaccine. Right now, 25.1% of Michigan residents have been vaccinated this flu season.
Our heart goes to the people who lost their loved ones due to anything, especially this family that had to endure this horrible, horrible loss.
If you want to get the flu vaccine, testing, or treatment but don't have insurance, the doctors say there are Medcare urgent cares in our area that will work with you to get the help you need. In Southfield, Tara Braddock, 7 Action News.